My name is Ian and welcome to Planted. In this video, I'm going to introduce you to the most remarkable plant for any new gardener. And just look at this. Look at the shape and the color and the form. This is a pot that I planted up with 5 or 6 plants. I gave this to a friend of mine and she was able to keep it alive and let it grow. And you get this beautiful texture. Now, what is this plant and why am I sharing it with you? Well, I've got some more of them here. This is the rather special Kalanchoe tomentosa chocolate soldier. And the chocolate soldier part is because in certain light levels, you get a dark chocolate edge to the leaves. This has come through the winter where we got low light levels, so it hasn't quite performed as it should do, but it will absolutely kick in as we move out of winter and into spring. And the reason I want to share this plant with you is that every year all of us succumb to spring optimism. We come out of winter, no matter what our successes were last year or our failures were last year, this is the year where it's all going to somehow magically work. I've been given tips from this person who's really good, and I've got tips from that person who's really good, and of course all of it's going to work with me. And what I want to impress upon you is that you have to master the basics before you can jump into the more challenging projects. And an example would be if you wanted to be a wine grower, you can't start off at the very top. You've got to come through the ranks, learn the skills, and then have the experience to then make good decisions. That's gardening. We want to improve your experience so you have more success, so you can make better choices. This plant is a great beginner plant. Kalanchoe tomentosa chocolate soldier. And the reason it's so good is that it's a succulent, and succulents take in water when it's available, store it, and then if the water dries up, they are able to use the water that's stored in the plant to get them through a dry patch. What does this mean to you? If you miss a watering or 2, or maybe even 3, the plant won't die. Now, the example is that these plants came to me last year and I've deliberately neglected them. This one got a bigger pot and a little bit more care and attention. This one got none. And you see that they're both alive, and the only difference is that this plant is smaller and this plant is a little bit bigger. Pretty cool, huh? So if you are renowned for killing plants because you overwater them or you underwater them, Kalanchoe tomentosa chocolate soldier is a plant for you. And I want you to get into the habit of watching what it needs. When it's happy, it'll start to put out little side shoots, and you can just about make out some in here. Little side shoot right there. So this stem at the top will grow up. The side shoots will fill in around the edge, and it'll get bigger and bigger and bigger, but it won't overtake your house. It won't overtake the pot that you put it on. So the easiest plant in the world to grow? Yeah, probably. It really is, because it's very forgiving. I find it really interesting. I like the architecture of the leaves. I like the coloration. And it's also slightly furry. When you touch it, you can just feel a little layer of fur on the plants. Fantastic plant for kids. When you get this plant to grow a foot high, a foot across, you know that you've passed your stage 1 optimist gardening badge and that you can move on to something else. But practice on this. Learn your skills on this little Kalanchoe, and it'll absolutely help you in the long run. This is a plant that's a house plant in the winter, 55 degrees minimum, 50. And then in the summer, you can take it outside. I wouldn't put it in the brightest of sunshine for a long time. It could have a little bit of dappled shade in the afternoon. But you could plant up a bunch of these in a pot and have it as a very architectural arrangement in a patio setting, maybe tables and chairs and a parasol and some fragrance, and you could have this as another feature. When you start to get success with a plant like this, it's as if there's a switch gone on in your brain. You start to connect all the dots, it all makes sense, and what we're doing is we're talking plant momentum. Now, if you go back through the archive, there's over 200 videos. I talk about momentum and how plants want to be able to grow at a rate like this, and then as spring comes, a little bit more and a little bit more and a little bit more, and that momentum is what makes them healthy. This will teach you that. It'll stop growing if you neglect it. It can die. Gosh, if you were to have this plant die on your watch, I would take up golf. But they're very tough, very durable, very forgiving. And another little trick is that if one of these little leaves comes off, you can pull it off. You can plant that and it'll set out roots. So you can start making plants for your friends. And when you start giving away plants, that means you're a real gardener. So do look this up, go and find it. Make sure you get the chocolate soldier. There are some other varieties, name varieties, that have got slightly different coloration on the leaves, but Kalanchoe tomentosa is the one that you want. And good luck. I would love to hear your comments. Have you grown it? Would you like to grow it? If you've seen it for sale, was it in a garden center? Was it in a big box store? So tell me your stories about Kalanchoe tomentosa. And on that note, bye for now.